1396, and my name is Laura Orean. I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan.
Okay, what was it about the Oliver travel trailer that made it the right choice for you?
The ease of cleaning, the low maintenance, and the ease of pulling.
Have you owned other campers before?
No, this is my first.
What made you choose the Oliver over other brands? Were there any particular features or qualities that stood out to you?
I researched trailers for 2.5 years, and I wanted something that was easy to keep clean, and with the fiberglass inside, it's easy to wipe down when you have muddy dogs come in. The low maintenance on it, Oliver has great ratings for not having a lot of service required on it, and then the ease of pulling it. I've never pulled anything before, and they explained everything to me on it, and it was perfect.
What is your preferred camping style?
Full hookups.
Okay, if you could camp anywhere, where would you go?
Grand Canyon. Kind of hard to get in there.
When you take your Oliver off the beaten path for boondocking, how does it handle rugged terrain?
So far, it's done great. I've only had to put my truck in 4-wheel drive once when the trailer kind of got a little bit stuck, but I was able to pull it out easily.
Have you had any certain experiences that you were amazed with its performance?
It went through a tornado 2 weeks ago, or I'm sorry, last month, and it came out of it without any scratches or real damage at all.
How often do you take your Oliver travel trailer out on the road? For example, is it a monthly getaway, a seasonal trip, or do you save it for special trips?
I am a nomad, so I am in my travel trailer all the time. I live in it with 2 golden retrievers.
Find yourself gravitating towards solo adventures, or do you prefer traveling with friends and family?
I typically do solo adventures.
When you travel, do you bring any pets along?
I have 2 golden retrievers that are always with me.
Okay, and tell us a certain experience about traveling with your animals.
The reason I picked Oliver for the cleanliness was when my golden retrievers get all muddy and dirty and they come into the trailer and they bring their dirt with them, I'm able to easily clean the trailer. They love camping, so they're enjoying this life very much.
Can you share an unforgettable moment of one of your travels?
That's kind of a hard one. It's trying to think through a lot of them. I did have a little bit of a bad experience. I forgot that I was pulling a trailer and I wedged it under an overhang, and the Oliver came out great. Didn't have any damage done to it at all. It held up perfectly. And that was the second week I had the trailer, and I haven't done it since.
Do you have any additional comments?
I recommend that if you want to go camping, whether it's, once a week, once a month, yearly, Oliver is perfect. Like I said, it's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain, and pulling it is very simple.